Hello, we are still moving forward in querying relationships. We've already learned about has and orHas methods. They help to limit results based on the existence of a relationship. But if we need more power and callback function, we can use whereHas and orWhereHas methods. So this is our database. This is our categories table. We have 5 items in it. We have 20 items in our quotes table, and some relations between them in the intermediate table category code. They have many-to-many relationships. So let's move back to our route, and here we will start with category model whereHas, and of course it will end with get. So first of all, I prefer when we import it at the top. As a first argument, like it was in the has method, we will use the relation quotes. As a second argument, there will be callback function. So as an argument of our function, we will use builder class. This one, and again to the top, and query. So here with this query, we can make some logic inside this callback function, some specific conditions. So we will use here where, I think where text, like so in our quotes, I think this inventory word will find like text like this. Inventory. So in order to properly display it, I will use for each loop. For each we need to name our variable. We will store this and categories as an item. So in the body of for each, we will just dump our item. I think not just item, I think not whole item, but just ID and maybe name. ID and name. And in order to separate it from the other items, I will just display bare tag here. Yes. So let's clear our roads. Road clear, and try it in our browser. So this is our main page, and our road is querying. So as you can see, only 2 categories from 5 has quotes that matching this text inventory in it. So maybe we can narrow it even more. For example, we will just copy author of it and continue to chaining it here, like or where, maybe not just where or where, just where author Rowan Chris, but she's not an operator. So I think we should add our second argument properly. Yes, Rowan Chris. And again, let's clear our cache and move to our browser. Let's refresh it. So all some other word also contains this. Maybe do this So I think one is matching here. Maybe we can just for testing use another word, not an inventory but another, and paste it here, clear our cache in order to have some other results. So let's refresh it, and as you can see we have even 4 items that matching for these conditions. So in order to show you whereHas method, I need one more query in for our category model. I think let it be posts. Post model, it will have one-to-many relationships, so one category can have multiple posts. So first of all, what I need, I think we will make first of all model and migration. PHP artisan make model post with migration in it. So model created, but migration little bit delayed. So now let's move to our model, post model, and here we will make some relation between them, between categories. So public function category, and it will return has one, I guess. Has no, not has one, belongs to. Yes, belongs to. And in the body we will just return this belongs to, of course, and here we will just type our category class. So I think yes. Let's move to now to our category model. So we already have here quotes, public function, posts, and it will return. Now it will return has one. Has one. And here again return this has one, not has one. I think it will be has many. Yes, has many. Let's delete has one, and here we will type has many. So our post class here, posts class, extra s, post class. So, and now let's move to our migration. So database, migrations, and here's our migration. So we already have ID, timestamps. So next, I think every post will have some title, string title. I think 155 characters is enough for it. Let's duplicate it, and there will be description. The description will have for 100 more than title, and of course it will have, I think, long text. Yes, long text. We'll call it just text. Yes. So drop if exist posts. So and also don't forget about foreign ID. It will be called category ID. Constraint and on cascade delete, I guess. Yes, I prefer on cascade delete. I think this is it. So let's run our migration. PHP artisan, PHP artisan migrate. So it migrated. Let's move to our database. And here, if we will refresh it, we have posts table. So the ID, title, description, text, category ID. It's good, but let's make some factories and seeds to it. Let's create PHP artisan, make factory, the post, we'll call it post factory, PHP artisan make post factory. So I think our factory is ready. So in here, I guess, sorry for this noises. We will start with title. For title, we will use. Unfortunately, I don't know why, but here I use Laravel 8. That's why I will use this faker. But if you have Laravel 9 or newer version of Laravel, you can use just fake method. So this faker, I think sentence, yes, sentence. I think one sentence here, not number of words, then it will be just sentence, I guess. Type for description we will use this description, this again faker, this must be comma, this faker, this faker sentence also, yes, it will be sentence. As a text we will use this faker, let's use paragraph, yes, paragraph with I think 10 sentences, yes, number of sentences 10. And for category ID, we will use this faker, I think number between, we have 5 items in our DB as a categories from 1 to 5. That's why I will just use number between 1 to 5, yes, 1 to 5. Title, description, paragraph, number between. I think this is it. And now we need our main seeder class, database seeder, and here we'll already make a category seeder, we'll already make a quote some, and here we will make post factory count. Let's make 100 items of it, 100, and create, of course. So I think we're ready to make some seeds. PHP artisan db seed, database seeding completed successful. Let's check it in our posts, refresh it. So, and now we have some text, description, so we have 100 items in our posts table. And now we can move back to our road and make some other chaining stuff. So we can use orWhereHas. Now it will be, I think, posts. I forget this kind of thing here, and of course again function. Again, we will use our builder query. So, and inside of it we will make some specific conditions. So query where where text, let's say where text more than 100 characters. I think there will be 4 of it. Let's use again our inventory words. Inventory here. So as an inventory it has only 2 of it. Well, let's, yes. So whereHas posts where value text more than 100. So let's again clear our cache. Where is it? Yes, and try it on browser. Let's refresh it. So now we have only time and knowledge. So in time and knowledge we has text like more than 100. Not only like 100, it's like a complex chaining. So category whereHas quotes, whereHas matching quotes either by text like inventory and author row and increase, or whereHas posts where text more than 100 characters. So let's make it like more, maybe we can narrow. So maybe we can use here 20 characters. So I think we have long text. So I think this is it for today's video. So whereHas and orWhereHas method not just restrict like filter by existence of relationships, but also we can use some specific conditions inside this whereHas methods. So thank you, goodbye.